Pose, pose, vogue, vogue, pose. I'm feeling sexy. I'm feeling sexy. I'm feeling sexy. Wanna hear you say my name, boy.
Baby, you the one to be number two, and you know that's true. Put it on me, baby, guy way good. Baby, guy way good. I'll be back.
Hello my chicken fillets and welcome to my channel. It's Yathian here, and if you're new to my channel then remember you're most welcome. And also I want to say big thank you and a big hello to all my new subscribers out there as well. Thank you so much for joining the family. Also don't forget to give this video a freaking thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn your little notification bell on so you know when I'm about to post next. So today I'm going to be doing like a get ready with me video. So I'm going to probably talk about my hair that I just received, and I'm going to get ready to go out. So I will be trying on an outfit. So the company that sent me hair is a company called Sogoodhair. So this is the box, this is what it looks like. Inside the box you get wig caps, eyelashes. I love it when they put eyelashes in like the boxes, it's so cute. And you've got extra grips and clips and a band at the back. So that's what I got in the box. This is the unit itself. So I don't know what it's looking like on camera right now, but it's meant to be like a light brownish and mixed with like bits of blonde in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is called a queen wig. It's 20 inches. It's 13 to 6 lace frontal, so it means that basically means like how far you can part the wig. I did already have a look at the wig, and I did cut the lace. I only cut the lace, I didn't do anything else. This comes with baby hairs and everything like that, so I didn't do anything else but just cut the lace of the wig. That's it. So now I'm just going to pop the unit on. As you can see, I have the wig on right now. So already I don't feel like there's a lot that needs to be done to this unit. I don't know, I feel like the front is already been like a little bit pre-plucked. So, you know, the baby hairs are just all over my forehead at the moment, which is really annoying. Because I haven't done anything, I just like kept it how it was meant to be. So I just want to quickly talk about the hair. So they say that this is 20 inches. I think this looks more like an 18 inch to me. Like literally, I don't see that this is like a 20 inch. I don't know, this looks more like an 18 inch to me. I don't know, maybe it's because it's curled, so I don't really know. So far the hair quality feels great, nice and smooth, nice and bouncy. There's no smell to the hair, so that's also good. Also about the construction of the wig, so you do get clips and combs as well inside the wig, and you get like a little attachment strap so you can attach the wig as well. So that's basically what it is. So this is just me wearing the wig naturally out of the box, which is quite good for a wig, like, you know, you're just popping it on and it's already like kind of done for you. So as you can see, there's some kind of like middle parting already that's been created. So now I'm gonna go with my Frizz Ease Dream Curls. Kind of like, it's like a spray kind of thing. Do a bit of pumps. No, sorry, it's a mousse, my bad, a mousse. I'm just gonna lay that on top of my head like so, just so we can just like make that top bit a bit more flat. And now I'm just gonna go in with the hot comb and really brush that top bit down. Because as it's like curly hair, it's gonna be like just a little bit bumpy, if you know what I mean. So anyways, there you have it. The unit is finally done. And yeah, I really like it, really. I don't have anything bad to say about this hair.